Hello, I'm Natalia and I go to Coleg Menai in Bangor. I'm currently studying chemistry and psychology and I'll be picking up biology next year. Also, I'm an active ambassador for the college. What I like about Coleg Menai is that you get a lot of opportunities that you wouldn't get elsewhere. For example, for me it was being an ambassador. I've never done any ambassador work before, but it's allowed me to share my creativity with others, and I've got a lot of positive feedback from it, which is new to me, and it's a really nice thing. Another thing I like about college is that you meet a lot of new people, and at first it can be quite overwhelming and quite strange as well, but at the end of the day you build a lot of confidence from meeting new people because you're engaging and talking to them. Another thing I like about college, it gives you a safe space to express who you are, and it's given me an opportunity to share with other people things I like and not worry about any negative comments. This is why I like going to Coleg Menai. Thank you for listening.